Hello everyone, are you looking for a barcode generator for your product or for your industry use or like anything? So you can use this barcode generator, as this is very simple. There will be no sign up and login. You can just choose the type of code or barcode generator you want to create. And if you have confusion that which barcode is for you, then you can come down. We have in detail written that, for example, if you are using code 39, right? So code 39 basically is widely used barcode, right? That standard that encodes alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data means which contains from A to Z and 0 to 9, right? And where we can use this kind of barcode, like in the inventory management of a warehouse, right? At that place we will use it. If you want to create an EN13 type of barcode generator, so this kind of barcode basically used in retail environments, okay? And then we have another one as UPCA. So this UPCA is a 12-digit barcode which is commonly used in United States for the product identifications, and you can use as the labeling and like wherever you want to use. So this one is also in very much in use, I think, like all over the world people are using this UPCA. But again, I'm saying that it depends upon your requirement and needs, that what kind of barcode generator you want to use. So let's create one as code 39, and I am giving here barcode data as a test code 39 and barcode note as note, right? When we click on generate barcode, so you can see a barcode will be generated and you can just use it from here, right? Let's try creating one EN13. So it's an EN13, title will be title and note as note. So let's see what kind of EN13 barcode will be generated. Valid barcode, okay. So in case of EN13, we can't pass alphanumeric data, we have to pass the digit here, like 13 digit, 1 2 3. Okay, so you can see our EN13 barcode will be generated, right? So in this manner you can create other as well, depending upon your use. And if you think that this barcode generator will be helpful for you, so definitely please share with your friends and family, so that they can also use this free tool that like I think very useful for everyone as well. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and stay tuned for the more videos like it. Thank you so much for watching.